everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name's Marlen. Happy Monday. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a fire roasted green salsa, and we're going to add some avocado. This salsa is so good and it's super easy to make. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is place a pan on the stove, medium-high heat. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil that you have at home. I'm using canola oil. I already peeled and washed the tomatillos. The tomatillos are very sticky, so you want to make sure you wash them, rinse them very well, and get that stickiness off. Once you're done rinsing them, you're going to transfer them to the pan. Here I have a total of 12 tomatillos. I'm also going to add 3 large jalapenos. I already went ahead and removed the stem. They're washed as well. We're going to go ahead and char these anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to be turning them so they char evenly. So after 10 minutes, this is what the ingredients look like. As you guys can see, they have a nice char. The tomatillos are starting to change color, which means that they're cooking through. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 of a piece of a white onion, 5 to 6 pieces of chile de árbol, and 1 garlic clove. I'm also going to add 1/2 cup of water, and I'm going to cover this and let this cook through anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes. So after 8 minutes, this is what the ingredients look like. As you guys can see, everything's cooked through. Now we're ready to add all the ingredients to the blender or a food processor. I'm going to be adding my ingredients to a blender. You're going to add all the ingredients with all the liquid that's in the pan. I'm also going to season this with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, but you can always use salt. I'm going to add a handful of cilantro and another 1/2 cup of water. We're going to blend all these ingredients once again. We want to have a nice smooth salsa. This salsa is absolutely delicious, super easy to make. So now we're going to add the salsa to a bowl. This is the consistency of the salsa. This salsa is very spicy, so if you don't want your salsa to be too spicy, you can always add less jalapeno and less chile de árbol. So now to make the salsa even better, we're going to add 1 avocado. I'm going to go ahead and chop 1 avocado, and we're going to add it to the salsa. We're going to mix it in very well. You don't have to worry about the avocado turning black. It's not going to turn black. And this salsa lasts anywhere from 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator, and it's absolutely delicious. And this is the finished product. Fire roasted green salsa with avocado. It's absolutely delicious and super easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.